Okay, let's be real. Everywhere you look, people are talking about cryptocurrencies, and you see headlines like Bitcoin is new all-time high or Ethereum could change the world. And you hear about crazy stories like someone who bought Bitcoin for a few $100s many years ago, now multimillionaire, right? Or someone who lost their savings because they forget their wallet password. It's wild, right? But here's the problem. With all the noise, most people still don't actually know what cryptocurrency really is. Is it just digital money? Is it an investment? Is it safe? Or is it just one big scam? Well, now let me tell you, cryptocurrency is one of the most revolutionary financial technology of our time. It's already changing how people send money, how people invest, and how entire financial system might work in the future. And here's the exciting part, whether you love it, hate it, or don't understand it yet, crypto is not going away. In fact, the better you understand it today, the more prepared you will be in the future that's coming. In this video, I'm going to break down for you step by step what cryptocurrency is, how it actually works, and why people are so obsessed with it, and the risk you absolutely need to know before you jump in. Trust me, by the end of the video, you will be going from crypto sounds confusing to, oh, I actually get it. And who knows, this knowledge could give you massive edge as a financial world keeps evolving. So let's dive in. So what is cryptocurrency? So just let's start with basics. A cryptocurrency is simply a form of digital money that exists only online. Unlike the cash in your wallet or the money in your bank account, it's not controlled by any government or bank. Instead, it runs on something called blockchain technology, which we'll get into just few seconds. The first and most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, created back in 2009 by unknown person or group who called themselves Satoshi Nakamoto. The one invention kicked off an entire financial revolution. And since then, thousands of cryptocurrency have been created like Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, Cardano, and many more. Some are serious projects trying to solve big problems, while others are just memes and experiments. But the core idea behind all of them is like crypto gives us way to store and transfer value digitally without needing to a middleman like bank, PayPal, or Visa. How does it work? Now you might be thinking, how is this even possible? How can you move money online without banks? The answer is blockchain technology. Think of a blockchain as a giant public record book or ledger that keeps track of every single transaction, but instead of being stored in one place like a bank computer system, it's stored across thousands of computers all around the world. Every time someone sends or receives cryptocurrency, the transaction gets grouped with other into some called a block, and once that block is full, it gets added to the chain of previous blocks, hence the name is blockchain. And here's the cool part, once information is added to the blockchain, it's permanent and unchangeable. Nobody can go back and erase or rewrite it. This makes crypto transaction transparent, traceable, and very secure. So you can think of blockchain like this. It's an online notebook that everyone can see, everyone can verify, but no one can cheat or erase. Part 3 is security and mining. Alright, but how do we actually make sure nobody cheats the system, right? So that's where mining and validators comes in. In Bitcoin's case, mines useful powerful computers to solve really tough math puzzles. The first computer to solve puzzle gets to add the next block of transaction to add blockchains. As a reward, the miners earns freshly created Bitcoin. This process is called proof of work. And other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum's newer system use something called proof of stake. Instead of solving puzzle, people lock up or stake their coins to help validate transaction. If they approve fake transactions, they lose their stake, which motivates them to play fair. Both of the system make sure the blockchain stays secure, transactions are real, and nobody can just print unlimited crypto out of nowhere. Now, how do you use cryptocurrency? Now that you know how it works, let's talk about how people actually use crypto in real life. Number one, send and receive money. You can transfer crypto to anyone in the world instantly with no bank involved. Number two, investing. Many people buy crypto as an investment, hoping the value will go up over time. Number three, payments. Some companies from small shops to giants like Tesla accept crypto as a payment. Number four, DeFi, which is like decentralized finance. This is like a whole new financial systems built on crypto where you can borrow land or earn interest without a bank. Number 5, NFT and Web3. Crypto also powers things like NFT and decentralized apps on the web. So cryptocurrency is not just internet money, it's opening the door to whole new digital economy. Number 5, advantage of cryptocurrency. Now let's look at the why people love crypto so much. First reason is decentralization. No government or single company controls it. Number 2, security. Thanks to blockchain, transactions are extremely hard to fake. Number 3, transparency. Everything is recorded publicly for anyone to verify. Number 4, accessibility. All you need is internet to participate. Number 5, speed and low fees. Sending money across the world can be faster and cheaper with crypto compared to banks or PayPal. That's why, and or people living in countries where local countries is unstable or inflation is crazy high, crypto can actually act as a lifeline. But yeah, there are some risks of cryptocurrency. It's not all sunshine and rainbows, right? There are some serious risks you need to know. Number 1, volatility. Prices can skyrocket then crash overnight. Number 2, regulation. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate crypto. In some countries, it's even banned. I think it was banned in China around 2022. I don't know what the case now. Number 3 is scams and hacks. The crypto world is full of shady projects and hacking attempts. Number 4, no refunds. If you send money to the wrong wallet address, it's gone forever. So while crypto has huge potential, you need to be careful. Education and research are the key before putting your money into it. Part 7, the future of cryptocurrency. So what's next for crypto? Some expert believes cryptocurrency could eventually replace traditional money or at least sit alongside it. Others think that technology, especially blockchain, will transform industries like finance, real estate, supply chains, or even voting system. At the same time, governments are exploring CBDC, central bank digital currencies that use some of the same technology but are fully controlled by central banks. One thing is certain, blockchain technology is here to stay. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or new projects we haven't even heard yet, the way we move money is evolving and fast. So let's wrap this up. Cryptocurrency is a digital money powered by blockchain. It's a decentralized, secure, and transparent. It can be used for payments, investing, DeFi, NFT, and many more. But it also comes with risk like volatility, scams, and regulation. The bottom line, crypto is a powerful tool, but like any tool, you need to know how to use it. Don't just follow hype. Do your research, understand what you're investing in, right? If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, hit subscribe for more content on finance, productivity, and money management. And let me know in the comments, do you think crypto is the future of money or just passing trend? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. For now, bye bye.